mom. Like her, they run deep and wide and to everyone.
The people them ask the councillor about the drainage and the councillor tell them about their mother. Yeah, that happened. But before I continue, share you like, follow, share, comment. I'm trying to create a community of full thinkers and I want you to be a part of it. People, a lot of us fail to understand. Let me take you back. Not us. We a lot of uno fail to understand because I'm not including this. And if you are watching this video and you're not included either, you're not included either, so don't take it personal. Politicians, okay? From the Prime Minister go straight down, politicians, the government is in service to the citizens of their country. I'm going to rephrase that. Andrew Holness, Mark Golding, Vaz, Crawford, every single one of them I can think of, Warmington, Mitchell in this case, every one of them, they're in service to you and me. So, when this brother asks the councillor about the drainage in our community because the councillor posted a picture of the road they did, as if that's something we're supposed to trade them for. You're doing what you're supposed to do. So when this person asks about the drainage, be it they were a genuine concerns member of that community, or is a sarcastic person where just what do you call it, a troll, it no matter. It was a question that was asked of a citizen of the country, which you are being paid. You are being paid to serve. And let me rephrase that. These politicians are being paid from your taxes to serve you, to build the country up for you and our future generations. So when they blatantly disrespect one, they are disrespecting all. So when the man asks about the drainage, because I post the road like say him a Christopher Columbus. Like say him just discover gold, but they do what he's supposed to do. And then you go reply and tell him about his mother and double down on it. And then I go blame upon staff. I don't believe you, brother. Straight up, I don't believe you. If you want to believe, I don't. Because this is not the first we have seen these politicians do it. And me know someone are going to say, oh, PMP, JP. I don't care. Both sides do this crap. Both sides do this crap. Treating the people as if they are in service of them. No, we're not supposed to serve we. But because Jamaicans love sit down and take everything. When them cough, when they go dig it up and drink it. And a cough and water in there, I'm going to find for drink it. Stop treat these people as if they are gods upon Mount Olympus. They are not. Being a member of parliament, being in governance, is a service that they chose. They chose to serve the people. Just like how police are supposed to serve and protect, they are supposed to serve the people. And when they're not doing their jobs, they are to lose it. So I wholeheartedly despise Jamaicans who make it seem as if these politicians are somehow better and deserve more grace than anybody else. They do not. They do not. But hey, these are just my thoughts. What are yours?